Hello, and welcome to Module 2. First of all, congratulations for completing the previous module. In this new module, we're going to be learning about mental disorders. In this module, we're going to be covering what mental disorders are and the types of mental disorders. So let's begin with our first topic, which is what are mental disorders? According to the American Psychiatric Association, mental illnesses are health conditions involving changes in emotion, thinking, or behavior, or a combination of these. Nearly 1 in 4 people will experience mental illness at some point in their lives, according to the World Federation of Mental Health. The two main causes of mental disorders are environmental factors and chemical changes in the brain. We will first look at the environmental factors. Number 1. Distress. Many events in life can cause distress. It can be overworking, financial issues, or schoolwork. Other times, it can be pent-up emotions of self-doubt, guilt, and anger. Number 2. Family or social issues. There are many family and social issues that can contribute to having a mental disorder. This includes constant bullying in the workplace or school, trouble in relationships or constant heartbreak, troubles in communication and interaction with others, or major family issues. Number 3. Major life events or changes. Major changes or events in your life, such as the death of a close one, moving, graduating, divorce, or getting a new job, can all have an effect on your mental health. Even if some of these events or changes sound good, they can also have a negative effect on your mental health. Now we look at the next major cause, which is chemical imbalance in the brain. According to Healthline, a chemical imbalance in the brain is said to occur when the brain has either excessive or insufficient chemicals called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical substances made by the neurons in your brain, specifically for the purpose of transmitting messages around the brain. These messages are often related to the feelings and emotions that we are experiencing in that moment. Examples of neurotransmitters include serotonin and dopamine, which are two chemicals that are mainly responsible for feelings of happiness, satisfaction, and joy. It is important to note that mental disorders are often not caused solely because of chemical imbalance in the brain. There is usually a combination of both environmental factors and imbalance in such cases. Cases where there is chemical imbalance in the brain are usually very serious or extreme ones. To summarize, mental health disorders are conditions where the emotions, behavior, and thinking of the individual is affected. They can be caused by environmental factors and chemical imbalances in the brain. Environmental factors include distress, social or family issues, or major life events or changes. Chemical imbalances in the brain can either cause excessive or insufficient chemicals, which are responsible for many of the emotions we feel. Chemical imbalance in the brain is often related to more serious or severe cases. And that concludes today's lesson.